Hello, viewers. Welcome to Ramya's Kitchen. The dish that we are going to see today is a sweet item. It's called as Puran Poli or Obbatu. It's basically a flat bread with a sweet stuffing inside. The flat bread is made with maida flour, and the sweet stuffing is made using jaggery and chana dal. First, we need to take 1 cup of chana dal, and we have to boil it in cooker. So we need to first wash it and pour 2 cups of water and let it boil for some time. And once the water is almost reduced to little, then we can close the cooker with a lid and we can leave it for some 5 to 6 whistles. If your cooker is in a good condition, 3 to 4 whistles also should be fine. Otherwise, you can leave it for a few more whistles, and you can see to that the dal is boiled nicely so that it should be able to mash. Like we should be able to mash with the hand when we are checking it. So like this it should be. And once it is boiled, then keep it aside and let us see the other ingredients. First, when we take the dal, it will be 1 cup. After boiling, it will double in size and it will be 2 cups, and 1 cup of pounded jaggery and 2 or 3 pieces of cardamom. So the jaggery should be pounded nicely so that directly we can put it in the mixer jar and blend it. Like this it should be. You can mix everything together in the mixer jar and you can just blend it for 2 or 3 times, and it will be in this consistency. We should not use water. Like this it should be. There should not be any lumps formed, and all the dal should be grinded finely like this. And now the inside stuffing is ready. And this much only we do for the stuffing. Some people also make by frying it in the frying pan using ghee and all. Anyway, I'll be using ghee when we are toasting the boli. So now the stuffing is ready. Now for the main flat bread, I take 2 cups of maida. Then I take 1 cup of water for preparing the dough for kneading. Then little salt, a pinch of salt, and 1 small teaspoon of turmeric powder. And then oil. Oil will be required more in quantity, like 3 to 4 times. In this size we have to use it. Now I'm mixing this turmeric powder and salt with water, and I'll be using this water for preparing the dough. So first we need to mix the turmeric powder in water so that it doesn't stand separately when we are doing the dough. Now I'm going to transfer everything into a bowl and I'm going to do the kneading of the dough. This kneading of the dough is an important process in this dish. It will take some time. We have to keep on pressing and preparing the dough. And as you can see, little by little you can pour the water instead of pouring all together. Slowly as it is required you can pour it. Now I'm also pouring the oil. The oil should be used to make sure that the dough doesn't stick to the hand. So we have to ensure often we have to check it in the hand. If it is sticky, then we have to pour little more oil and press it and elongate it and mix, and at least for 5 to 10 minutes we have to spend for preparing this dough. As you can see, like I'm using that small bowl for oil, like 3 to 4 times I used oil of that size. So it should not be sticky. Have to make sure about that. And after preparing the dough, we'll be leaving it to rest for more than 1 hour, like 1 hour or 1.5 hours should be fine. Turmeric powder also very little should be fine. You should not use more. So these are the basic things to make sure while preparing the dough. You can also try this using wheat flour, that is your wish, because some people feel that wheat is very healthy, so you can do that, you can try, but for wheat we need not use this much oil. Because it is maida, we are using this much oil. For wheat it may not be required this much. Using this dough and this much stuffing, I can prepare easily 10 bolis. If your size is different, you can even prepare 12 to 15 according to how much the dumpling size you are taking. But you can easily prepare 10 bolis with this much measurement. So you have to double or triple according to your requirement how much you are going to make. When you see the dough, it may look like it is lesser than the stuffing that we have prepared now. But normally when we take the dumpling, the size of the dumpling of the stuffing will be bigger than the dumpling of the dough, the flat bread. So like that only it will be, because when we are pressing it to make the flat bread, the covering should be very thin. It should not be very thick. The maida covering should be very thin. That is why we take little dumpling lesser than the size of the stuffing. Okay. So we have to ensure we press it nicely, evenly when we are preparing the flat bread. Even means the corners also should be pressed properly, and it should be even everywhere. It should not be thick in the corners and thin in the middle. It should be evenly pressed. Fine. So it needs lot of patience also. In hand we are doing it. We should not use the roller. So one by one we have to do that. So a little bit oil also we might have to use in between when we are doing this flat bread. So as and when required, you feel sticky in the hand, you can use oil and you can press it. And after pressing, and once it is in this size, you can put it in the tawa and you can toast it, flip it on both the sides Apply little ghee and you can toast it, and once the black spots start appearing, then you can transfer it to the serving plate. So this is how we do. You can also try this dish, viewers. And as I said, the inside stuffing can also be prepared using coconut flour. So when we are using coconut flour, we can use along with white sugar or jaggery. It is our wish, but basically for boli we use this chana dal and jaggery. I will try to put another video using coconut flour and sugar. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you.